Hey everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to turn on AirDrop in your Mac computer. So as we are on the desktop, we can go to the top right portion of the display where you can see the menu bar or top bar. And as you can tell, we have the buttons and some controls in here, but you're going to click on this one to expand the control center. And in there, you should be able to see things like the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, music player, very similar to the way it looks on an iPhone. And the point is that AirDrop should definitely be somewhere on this menu. So you can expand it like this, and it decided that if it was turned off before, then you can re-enable it like that and choose if it's going to be for contacts only or for everyone, right? So that's how you can decide how visible your Mac computer is, or turn it off on however you like it. The only thing is that if you don't see it in here in the control center, just make sure you click on edit the controls at the bottom to essentially add the thing back, right? So from the available toggles, make sure to look up AirDrop and just bring it back in here, right? So make sure you add it either to the control center, or you can also add it to the menu bar at the top, and you can also have quick access to the AirDrop in there, right? So as you can see, the AirDrop can quickly be accessed in there as well, or you can then remove it if you don't like it. But that's it for me. I hope that I was able to explain it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.